Hello everyone, Transformer Katie here, back with another video. If you're familiar with some of the content I create for Transform, you would know I love the outdoors. According to the biophilia hypothesis, humans have an innate emotional connection to living things. We feel comforted in nature because it's where a species evolved. So today, I would like to share with you the concept of forest therapy. Forest therapy is a research-based framework for supporting healing and wellness through the immersion in forest and other natural environments. Forest therapy is inspired by the Japanese practice of Shinrin-yoku, which translates to forest bathing. The idea is to let nature into your body through your senses. This is not a form of exercise like hiking, but simply being in nature and connecting with it through your five senses of taste, touch, smell, hearing, and vision. When we immerse ourselves in nature, we create harmony with the natural world, and it is during this time our body is able to reset itself. Japan has 48 official forest therapy trails designated for Shinrin-yoku by the Japanese Forestry Agency, which draws in hundreds of thousands of visitors each year. Since 2003, Japan has dedicated 4 million to forest bathing research, and the health benefits discovered were monumental. Researchers found that time in nature essentially created a reset for stress. This is huge in health because stress can be a major player in many ailments, such as high blood pressure, heart problems, diabetes, obesity, depression, and many other diseases. There are many studies to support the restorative power of nature. One study conducted by Dr. Miyazaki, physical anthropologist and vice director at the Center of Environment, Health, and Field Sciences at Chiba University outside Tokyo, found that leisurely forest walks compared to urban walks delivered a 12% decrease in the stress hormone called cortisol. There was also a 1.4 decrease in blood pressure and a 6% decrease in heart rate. Post-study questionnaires also showed participants had better moods and less anxiety. Most forest therapy is practiced with guides. However, I would like to give you 5 tips on how to practice forest therapy on your own without a guide. Tip number 1, leave behind your phone and other electronics. You don't want any unnecessary distractions, and you want to be fully present. Tip number 2, no talking. Make an agreement that if you go with others, that this will be a quiet time for reflection. Tip number 3, walk slowly and quietly. You should not feel rushed or distracted. Tip number 4, sit down. Find a comfortable place to sit for 20 minutes and just be still. Listen to the sounds around you. And finally, tip number 5, go into the experience with no expectations or goals. Just let your body wander aimlessly. Thanks for watching, and for those interested in learning more about forest therapy and the health benefits of being in nature, I will be hosting a webinar on this topic at the end of May, so be on the lookout for that. I will also be sure to post some helpful links in the description box for those looking to learn more now. As always, stay happy and healthy, and go get outside. Bye, everyone.